This clean 1947 Dodge pickup truck came to the V8 Speed Resto Shop after the new owner discovered that the old Dodge just didn't have the oats to keep up with modern traffic on the highway. He wanted to be able to drive his new rig wherever he wanted, whenever he wanted, so a plan was developed to repower the Dodge and retire the original flathead engine. After much contemplation, the choice was made to keep some Dodge DNA in the truck, and a fuel-injected Jeep 4-liter 6-cylinder engine was sourced along with its matching 5-speed manual overdrive transmission. The V8 crew designed and fabricated the engine mounts, along with the necessary bracketry to upgrade the cooling system with an aluminum radiator and an electric fan to handle not only the engine heat, but also a vintage air AC system to keep the occupants cool on the road. All of the required EFI control systems and high-pressure fuel systems were retrofitted from a Jeep Cherokee to the 47, and the original fuel tank was fitted with a new in-tank electric fuel pump to feed the engine. The V8 Speed and Resto Shop interior department went to work installing sound and heat control panels in the floors, doors, and roof, and added a new headliner. Under the truck, a new mandrel bent exhaust system was fabricated in-house to let the straight six breathe easy. The bright red pickup looks sharp with its contrasting fenders, and now it easily is able to cruise down the highway without causing a traffic jam. At least not because it's going too slow. It's a real head turner. Contact us at v8speedshop.com to learn how the V8 Speed team can build your dream car or truck today.